Welcome. In this video I will show you how to replace remote control batteries on your Samsung The Frame TV. So the original remote control, in my case, it looks like this. It doesn't use batteries, so you cannot replace them. Instead, you can charge it using a USB Type-C cable. Just insert it into this port and let your device charge. Now, or it can also use solar power for charging, so you can just align your your remote control so that this part of it faces some source, some light source, and it will be slowly charging off it. However, if you have a remote control like this one, this is also a Samsung remote control, there's a good chance that you have one of these. Then in order to replace your battery, you have to push this or pull this part on the back side of your remote control like this to remove the cover. And here in my case it uses AAA batteries to charge. In your case it can be a different battery kind, and you can always just check. You can always check the inner part right here inside. Let me bring some light to it so that you can change, though it's kind of hard to see inside. Inside it says what kind of batteries this remote control supports, and also check the plus and minus signs position inside the remote control, and check and align your batteries plus and minus signs with the plus and minus signs in these ports or slots for your batteries, and just place them inside like this, and then just apply the cover of your remote control to it. And yeah, right now the batteries are replaced. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.